Bow. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cleveland County and southeast Arkansas, southeastern Jefferson County and southeast Arkansas, Lincoln County and southeast Arkansas, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Kedron to 2 miles east of Tipton, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Star City, Woodville, Whitefield, Nebo, Mount Alba, Langford, Herbine, Hebron, Grady, Feeneyville, English Lake, Cray Lake, Cane Creek Lake, Yorktown, Tyro, Terry, Sarasa, Rowell. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time Monday morning for Arkansas. Here are the